In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with PDFs and Power Query. So for this example, we're using the NVIDIA 2024 annual report, and we're taking an ownership and income statement table out of it, and the final results will look like this. So first we're going to data, then we're going to get data, then from file, from PDF. I'm going to choose the NVIDIA annual report here. So when we import this, this will give us a list of all the tables in the document. Lots of tables in this, but we can select multiple items and just choose the tables we want. I'm going to choose the ownership table here. Then I'm going to go down and choose the income statement here. And we can load these now to the Excel by pressing load, but I'm just going to transform the data and make this look a little bit nicer. So for the ownership here, I want to remove that row with the nulls in it because that's just a title row that I don't really want. So I've got rid of that by just filtering it out. Then I'm going to rename the rows I want. So name, shares. I'm going to delete a couple of rows in here that I don't want, but I do want that percentage ownership in here. So I'm going to change that. And now this table is ready to go. The other table is going to be a little bit more tricky. We're going to start by just getting rid of these null rows with the $sign in them. So I'm just going to go and remove those 3 rows. Now I want to change the name of the rows with the proper financial years, and I want to change these to numbers. But I can see that I'm going to get an error here. So to get rid of that error, we want to take out the step that we've just done. That will get rid of the error, and then I can see that there's a symbol in one of those columns that I want to get rid of. So we just click on that and replace values, and I'm just going to replace that symbol with blank, and that'll replace it for the whole data set. I'm going to do that in both columns, and now I'll be able to change this into a number. And I'm going to perform one last transformation step on this. I just want to see the percentage change. So I'm going to go standard percent of in new column. I'm going to put percentage of FY23. I just need to change this to use values in a column, and you can choose the column you want for that. So I'm going to press OK here, and this will give us a new column. Few too many decimal points, so I'm going to go to transform, which transforms the column in place. And then I'm just going to round this to 2 decimal places. And this is now ready to come into my Excel sheet. So I'm going to close and load. I'm going to do a little bit of formatting in here just to make this look a bit nicer. But there's my ownership. I'm going to change the name of this to ownership. And I also have my income statement here. So useful functionality, changing PDFs into tables. Hope you found that useful. Follow for more.